it looked horrible first, I want to say, because hello, welcome to my channel. I'm so grateful that you click on my video because today we will do something. It is like painting on t-shirt because I have this t-shirt and it's not my favorite at the but it was white. Now it's more than yellow and it's not good. It's dirty. This is the first thing that, like, I don't like it. I don't want to rush out this t-shirt, and because I don't want to rush out, I want to remove it. How I will do it, I have some plan in my mind, but first we must wash it only with normal water and after squeeze it. Now just squeeze the water. Because I decided my t-shirt I want to paint it with beetroot, so now let's write for garden for beetroot. I have it. It wasn't that fast how we will think. We can see that the beetroots are very fresh. Anyways, now let's them cut for small pieces. Actually, I don't know if I must like take off the skin, but I don't think so that I must do. Just I will wash them. Okay, now all these beetroots, like pieces of beetroots, I will add to a pot. Now we will just boil this for 45 to 60 minutes. It will be good if we will mix it like few times. Yeah. Also, I want to say that I use for painting beetroot, and it's not the best what you can use because beetroot, the t-shirt after it will be not red, not violet, but it will be like more pink. Yeah. So it will be light. But if you will use turmeric, it will be yellow and it's better than beetroot. If you will use onion skins, it will be brown, and if you will use red skins, it will be blue or wild. Yeah, so maybe it will be good if you will think like from what you will paint. Yeah, beetroot, it's not bad, but it's not the best. Also, I decided I want to do some ornaments for my t-shirt, and for this I will use string. Where I will put the string, there it will be the color of the t-shirt. Hello. Maybe you ask why I'm here and why I'm not continue. And this chair is wet because it was raining. Anyways, yeah, it's 1 week later, and I had some kind of disease. I don't know. I didn't feel very well, so I decided it would be better if I will go to the bed and not shoot the video, and I make a good decision. Anyways, now I'm here after like 1 week later, and we can continue. So let's go. Anyways, I'm here with my t-shirt. I water it again, wash it, and yeah, we can see here. Uh, Anyways, now I was thinking about the string, and I will not do it like lot of, only like one string, because I want to just try it. Plus, the beetroots, it will be not red, it will be pink, and it will be not some big, not that big how I think it will be. So I will just do something very simple. Okay, I didn't find any string. I'm so sorry, but I have only this. Anyways, also about cooking. So I am the beetroots are in water, and we will cook them from 45 to something like about 1 hour. Yeah, I don't know how long I will let it there, but probably for 1 hour. I don't care. And now let's prepare the t-shirt. But it's starting raining. Yeah. In the like at 12 o'clock it started. Now it's 4 o'clock, and I think it will be here again. Anyways, what I want do here is probably like I want try like few um, stripes here. So this will be first one. Okay, so if you want to do like a circle, you will do this, and the string you will add here. Yeah, if you want to do stripes like me, you will do like this, and after, what I like, but it is a little hard, you will just twist the t-shirt, and after you will pack like very tidy. Yeah, but for me now I like this stripe, and maybe I will add another one. Okay, it's ready, but now I must wait for the cooking. So first step, wet the t-shirt with clean water and squeeze out the excess water. After, cut the beetroots into small pieces, put them in a pot, cover them with water, and simmer for 45 to 60 minutes. After, tie the t-shirt with string or rubber bands to create your desired pattern. And after, remove the beetroot pieces or strain the dye after 60 minutes. Now I just must wait it, and I don't know if I will take them away, because maybe no, I will let them there here, maybe, I don't know, because it is more simple. Yeah, that's it what I wanted to say, and now see you next 1 hour. Okay, so I'm here after 50 minutes and 50 minutes, sorry. Um, and I have problem. Yeah. This is the problem. There is like there's no water for the t-shirt, and I don't know what to do now. Uh, but probably I will just add to the water. I will not take out the pieces from beetroot. I will add this t-shirt to the pot, and I don't know. Yeah, now we must add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Yeah, so I don't have tablespoon. I will just add from the and mix it. Um, I wanted to say also that my t-shirt is 100 from cotton, and yeah, I think we can add the t-shirt to the pot. So yeah, leave the t-shirt in the dye for at least 2 hours. It's on you. If you have 2 weeks, let it there 2 weeks. If you have 2 hours, let it there 2 hours. Yeah. I have like I will let it like overnight. Yeah. But it's not good that I don't have like water for the t-shirt. So yeah, and after take the t-shirt out, but this we will do tomorrow. Yeah, now it's something about 5 o'clock, and I will just somehow do, I don't know how, the t-shirt, and I will let it here overnight. Okay, I have it like that, and see you tomorrow. Okay, it looks like that. Now I just want to wash it. These things from beetroot, and after I must wait because now it's wet, and after I will show you the result. Hello, it's another day and I'm here and I will show you the result. So it looked horrible first, I want to say, because I didn't wash it. Why I didn't wash it? It is because how I wash it, the color washed off. So I have like a lot of pieces here of from the beetroot, super, and only what I like on this t-shirt is this logo of Adidas, and that's it. Yeah, because that's horrible. Yeah, look at it. This is the result. So this is the after. Yeah. So this wasn't went good. So probably one of next videos it will be how I'm repairing transformation this t-shirt do better, and probably I will buy some like exactly color for t-shirts like for cotton and not only like from beetroot. I wanted to try this um, natural way, but no. So next time I will try um, normal colors, and I have already in my mind something what I want to try. So maybe, yeah, one of next videos it will be how I'm repairing this t-shirt, and that's it. I hope to enjoy this video. If you have some tips for me for the next time, I will be honest. You can leave me a comment about that. And yeah, have a good day. Bye.